If you were rushed to the hospital tonight, if you passed away tomorrow, who would get your home? Your partner, your kids, your parents, or somebody else? Most Colorado couples assume love writes the rules, but in reality, the law does. I talk to couples every day about they've been together for years, sometimes even longer than some of the other people that I know that have been married. And they've shared homes, kids, pets, bank accounts, all of it. But they don't have the key component to all of this, a valid estate plan. And they assume that just because they live together, they can somehow prove common law marriage if something happens to either one of them. Picture this, a partner is grieving the loss of their partner, and now they learn they need to go through a court process that we call probate, which is what happens if you don't have a trust in place. And now there's another wrinkle to this, common law marriage. That is not about having some sort of a common law marriage certificate. It's about convincing the court that you actually were in a common law marriage with the deceased partner. Now, when you go to court, their family shows up and they now have different thoughts about the common law marriage. Not only do you have to go through probate, which is already expensive and time-consuming and stressful, now you have to also prove common law marriage before you get any priority under the probate court process. It's a complete and total nightmare for you as the partner. If you love someone deeply, but you haven't made it legal, and maybe you don't plan on making it legal, at least you need to put together an estate plan that provides for that person, but also is fair to the rest of your family, like your kids or any other family members that you want to provide for, and also accounting for the same for your partner. If they have kids or if they have anybody else that they need to provide for, you need to come talk to us, sit down together and actually talk through how you would want this to look like if something were to happen to you tomorrow. If this made you pause and think about your own relationship and made you think about, oh my gosh, I need to create something so that my partner is not completely screwed if I am no longer here, then you need to come talk to us today. And we need to figure out a plan that will be fair to everybody and also respect your wishes and your new partnership. I'll see you in the next video, and please leave us a like if you found this video useful.